actually now we have very important things. We know actually talking about trading, I just forgot to mention to you very important four things. The first thing is underlying assets.
Okay. Yes.
That's the first thing. The second thing, you want a long or you want a short.
Yeah.
Number three, we need price. Right? Number four, we need an out. That's four things you need to figure out before you enter a trade. Right now, we know our underlying assets is spikes, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you're expecting this is a price correction, what are you expecting? You want to long this one, right?
Yeah.
So now we have number two. So number three, we need price.
Yeah.
Price, we can do that later. However, I can tell you number four first. We need an out. The out is you made a mistake, which means your analyze what you do before was wrong. So it's not a price correction. It's a time correction. So the price will keep going down.
Down,
And make the moving average down and like this one.
Down.
You see? That's a clearly time correction. You see this part?
No, I see. Yeah.
You see this gap right here, so they kind of there's no mistake here, so the moving average can kind of move towards go down and move towards the price. So instead, so we have to have an out for this one. Yeah. So you see this purple kind of dodge line right here.
Yeah.
So that's what I draw for support level. Another reason right here, so we have couple things why we want to do this trade right now. So first, we know it's extended from EMA, so we want price correction. That's number one, and number two actually close to my support level. Where this support level comes from? Let me just show you. It's from weekly.
Oh wow!
That's way below, way before. It's kind of range where spikes trading so much time. That's a resistance level, that's a support level. I mean, I just want to make it very clearly because support level and resistance level is not like an actual price. It's not a price by digit, like saying, hey, exactly support level is 5100.
Right.
It's not like that. It's like a range. Okay. So it's more like a level where people feeling like, okay, in this kind of part, everything is okay. I think the economic is alright. Everybody can buy. And from this kind of level, you can see a doji looks like this. You see that?
Yes, like a long wick.
Yeah, have a long tail or long wick, whatever. That's exactly how buyers want to get in this kind of level. So that's where I found this level. And let's go back to daily. So we have reason number two close to our support level, right?
So
we have two reasons right now. And let's add this kind of volume. We can see what the volume becomes too bigger compared to the prior days, right?
Yes.
You see this exactly these days.
Right. The volume just spiked.
Yes. The reason for that is more traders and more investors thinking about what we think is like, hey, everybody's buying right here. Why we don't join them? So we are doing this kind of trade. So now we have to find out. So for reason to find out before the price open, we don't know the price will drop to here, right? So we have to find out. So we find the prior one, which is this tail. I know it's not exactly like the same way. However, we still need a actually
you do need a place to get out.
we do need a actually
you need a place
exactly
to stop
price
out.
to stop out. So to help us calculating everything we have to do. So we see this thing. We find the low of this one is 3764.649. Okay. So actually, this long tail leg low is our out.
Right?
So we know that already. So we have four things right now. So let's figure out the price. So we go into this day actually.
Yeah.
That's a day. Right? So that's a day when we're trying to trade. Actually, we know the price prior. Let me just back to this kind of thing to help me.
Wow.
Kind of.
Oh, so you're looking at the daily and the 15-minute.
Yeah, while trading, yes, I actually looking at quite a lot of things.
Yeah.
I normally use daily to help me to determine the level, and use 15 minutes to 5 minutes to help me to day trading. So that's a way how I know the price, because I mark the price here, I mark the price here, right? You see that?
Yeah, I see that. I see you have levels everywhere. Oh my
actually,
goodness.
that's a level for the resistance level. So if I try to to short something, that's gonna be my stop out. Or if I try to long something, that's gonna my profit taking. So that's the same way. So let me just go back to here. So this day is somewhere we're trying to do day trading, right? So market open low, which close to our support level, right?
Yes.
So if you're trying to long something, what do you think? You're trying to buy as cheaper as possible, right?
So you want it to go, you want the price to be low so you can go higher.
Yes, right? If the price open above the support level, and I know my out is here, so I'm gonna buy on the market open. That's exactly what I do. So I will literally buy here. And if I got a very good price, for example, somewhere around 3,820-ish, let me just type it straight. So that's my enter price. For example, I mean, my out is like 3764.49. So my risk is another kind of calculation. Very simple.
It's very simple. It's like
minus
200 points.
Yeah, so it's like how much
points,
for that? So it's like only 36.
Wow.
So that's your risk for one.
Right? Actually it's $36 or 36 point
that's
range.
$36 for one trade. However, what's your potential gains? You see that?
It's huge.
You're trying to trade this back to the EMA area. So EMA area is somewhere around 3,920-ish. So if you're getting somewhere around here, so that's 120 points, right? So you just use $36 to trade $120. That's very good trade. So you're trying to get in, and after the price going up, somewhere above this very trade. If you sell one share at 3,836, how much money you make in this trade? $36, right? So you have another one share, right? So we just imagine you bought two. You have another one share. If that one share drop below this kind of out, which is 3764, how much you made in this trade?
So if it dropped, so you're stopped out?
Yes.
Then you lost what? You lost the 36?
No, you lost nothing. You already put $36 into your pocket. So if another share just drops, they trigger the stop out, and you still break even on this trade.
You break even. It's zero. Zero.
So that's how we do day trading. Actually, we're trying to manage our risk. We're trying to manage the downside risk. We're trying to use what we left. How we trying to use profit to get more from our trade. So we sell one trade at 3,836, which is very fast, I think. Right here. And right now, I'm gonna do another things. We're gonna move our stop loss from here to day low. What's a day low? Let me see. So that's a day low for this day. Because I don't really want to give back all my $36.
Right.
So actually, I'm trying to cheat the market. I'm gonna say, okay, in my imagination, this is a day low. I'm gonna trade the day low. I don't want take my money back. So actually, I raise my stop from here to this day low, which I'm gonna delay this one. I need to use this one. So now I have one share which I sold one share at 3836. I have one
Yeah.
share so far where I bought at 38000, and right now I can just hold them, right?
Yeah.
I can just
Yeah.
hold them and
Yeah.
pray for a bigger kind of picture.
And then just let it move.
Yeah, let it move.
Yeah.
If it's a swing trading, we're close to my, weekly resistance level. I gonna sell
Yeah.
them. So that's my
Yeah.
trading plan for trade. Actually, that's how it works.